So let's move to the crypto market now with Ladi. It was a red Monday.
Yep.
What
And
do we
it's a
have
red
today?
Tuesday. We
Oh
still have the
no, bad news.
Evergrande effect. All
Oh, the
major
Evergrande gets
traditional.
to the crypto
Oh,
too.
yes. Crypto is a very risky asset. So, risky assets got hit hard, with this whole Evergrande issue. We've seen Bitcoin break so much support at this point. Just a couple of altcoins in the green this morning. The market cap is sitting pretty below the 2 trillion psychological mark. That's down 6%. 24-hour volume, $150.13 billion. Volume is up 59% this morning. Bitcoin dominance still inching up there at 42.46%. Price of Bitcoin at 8 a.m. this morning, 42,991. It's broken the 45,000 support and the 43,000 support at this point. It's down 5%. And the 24-hour volume traded $46.68 billion. So traders are not finding it funny right now. Ethereum now almost inching below the $3,000 mark. It's down 4%. 24-hour volume traded in Ethereum this morning, $28.62 billion. Look at the top also, market cap. No coin is spared there. You see BNB still way below the $400 mark. It's down 6%. Cardano looking at $2.11. That's down 2%. And XRP below the $1 mark, down 4.27%. So you see the crypto market is not smiling, but we have some top gainers here. We have Misigo, one of the oldies in the crypto market, is up 21.67%, and CeeLo there following it with up 17%. So it's not the usual double-digit gains we see in the market because right now Bitcoin is very volatile. All right, let's bring in Rume Ofi now, digital market analyst. Hello, Rume. Great to have you.
Hello, Larry. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Rume. Well, it looks like the dip keeps dipping at this point. El Salvador has been buying the dip. I don't know if they're buying this dip right now. What's going on in the market?
All right. Evergreen, second largest property developer in China. And, they're really going through some very difficult times in debt and amounting to about 300 billion. So that sent shockwave to the entire market. If you notice, yesterday we saw Nasdaq down, S&P 500 down. So crypto will not be exempted because at some point there is this news around East Theta, the largest stablecoin, is involved with Evergreen. So it's a situation whereby everyone is running excess data. At some point, institutional investors from Asia are more. So we want to think that all of that can shake more the crypto market because Bitcoin actually went down by 9% or thereabouts and sweep about 250 billion in value from the market. So it only means that rumor often controls the crowd. So it is very good to follow where the waves are going. About last night, I observed that when the market got to about 42, a good amount of volume came in and it actually held that position for a long time to this morning. So traders need to be very careful and follow where the whales are going. So it's just for you to, if possible, if you are so scared, leave the market at some point because the rumor will make everyone scared at some point. So when the market is balanced again, you just go in and ride your profits up so that at least you can smile when you see it. But when everywhere is green at the end of the day.
Right. And Rume, it seems this could be the wrong time to start running into stable coins. How should retail investors be trading at this point?
I look at stable coins as because that's what it is. The opportunities are not there. They are just ones which you want to the US dollar most especially. So most times when people say, the work I believe stablecoin is doing is just to help hold your assets at that point. But also the opportunity, you will miss out on it. But the retail investors should always follow where the money is. That is, when the market is getting involved in things like this, you just have to at some point go down. Because nobody wants to see their money what is going down because it comes with a lot of emotions, So you just have to stay back a bit, watch the market, hold support. Then when the volume comes in, you follow it up, and it will make you have a lot of value for your money at the end of the day.
All right, so it's a red market. What altcoins are you watching at this point?
So for me, I'm looking at the DeFi protocols. I'm looking at the DeFi ecosystem. I'm very, very heavy on the Solana because it has a lot. The ecosystem is quite large, as well as Cosmos, which has a token as Atom, and Polkadot is also there. So after all of these things, I know it's going to take a short while because on Thursday I heard that there's going to be the debt review is going to come up. So there could be some new ways in the market. This is a quite new market, so anything goes for now. But when we get better, a lot of these things will be absorbed, I believe.
Right. All right, roommate, thank you so much. Always great to talk to you.
Thank you very much, Eddie.
All right, let's look at the top 5 losers there. We have Atom leading that count, is down 13% at $34.81. Purpose down 13%. Near Protocol, $7.58, down 12%. And we have Decred there, DCR, $118 down. So we're seeing double digits losses across the board. So we don't know where to put our money at this point.
Well, I don't know about that because I always hear you guys talk about buying the dip, and I think this is the dip. Isn't this a good time
especially
to buy?
when the dip keeps dipping, you don't know.
Well, it's not a financial advice, but I mean, this is what you guys keep saying.
We need to look for that safe haven asset at this point.
Safe haven asset. Or go to the stable coins.
Right. But it's all about timing, though.
Okay. All right. We'll keep looking at the time. I'll keep our fingers crossed.